please do not subscribe to my YouTube channel to receive latest updates and latest news. Thank you. Let's go to the reason why we are. Yeah. Kasala don burst for Italy. Kasala oinyana. Kasala full everywhere. Everywhere tear. People run. Police come. Area scatter. One woman don fall out for Italy. They curse the mother-in-law. They follow mother-in-law the facts. Even they follow the husband the facts. They teach the children how to they call police. How to this woman don't die. You they teach your small children how to they call police. You don't know say before they even reach 15 years now, J now you die put. J kiri now you die put. Because of quarrel when you get with your husband and with your mother-in-law, now you don't teach your pikin how to they call police. This one not now matter this matter now. It be like now you they trade something. Wait till they trade now will come they against you later. Now be waiting the happen so. This woman say it to say I feel you see you resemble person when they use the draw a year. You cause your mother-in-law not rich. You call police not rich. You still they tell your children wait till they go tell police. If police come, see you want to put your husband for jail. Now life when you want to live be that one. Now all this kind of life you want to live. You don't know say as you they teach your children now how to call police. Time they come now that your children go still call that same police for you if you do anything. Not be waiting the hand there now 50-50 now what you do now you receive. We can receive a double portion of what you they plan now. We can receive a double. You will cry, you not see help. You will receive double. Many of you never see the video. Oh yeah.
Daddy, King, your daddy I can tell to give you.
I don't keep asking.
It's okay. See ya before we go. We can go.
It's okay.
It's your police.
No, don't worry, you are coming.
So Bonnie, tell your mama come for Bonnie. Now Bonnie want you. He don't kill your person. Take the king. Now you want king. Tell me come for Bonnie. 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 Now your mama make double take your documents. Tell me come for Bonnie. Tell me come out. He beat me well, my daughter. Grandma beat me well. Grandma beat me well. Yes, it's spoil it. Grandma spoil it.
Then go inside.
Tell your papa. No, go inside myself. Papa don't know where it is. Yes, it's blood. Grandma. With your daddy. They beat me well. You go come and you tell them. That is it. Yeah, you tell them. You beat me. Yes, so by the way, come and you tell them. That is your money. Never for Bonnie. Now me go kill you. You even like Evans? You like Evans? You survive Evans? You never say Evans. Your life don't get there. If you kill Evans, you go regret it. You go regret Evans. You go regret it. If your mama Evans kill Evans, if I leave Evans, I go kill him, mama. No. Evans don't know. Yeah. You won't kill her for me. You won't kill her. You don't want you. You won't kill Evans. I make my children for Bonnie. You don't want I wake my children. Yes, I don't become a police. Not your boy will kill you. You can't kill you.
Hey, you're not the phone talk.
You never told what is Bonnie taking me. You don't want me for matter.
Benin women for Italy. Anybody want to Italy whenever married for Italy. If I see Benin women, more than they don't know. Benin women they're bad though. Woman, when I say I'm married with my wife, now they fight my mother-in-law this morning. You don't call police. Can say me, the husband will go prison. My mother will go prison. And my mother they call so show na the see. I beg, make una they run for Benin people. They're no good though. They be demons so. I beg, go make una they run for them.
You see, no need to talk. This woman, you water when they fetch now. Egbedin when they pour water they put. You get the time when the egbedin go full. And if you full, now J, Kiri, Zanzun, underground. Now there you roti put. Now there. Small pikin will never know anything. You don't teach them how to call police. Don't they teach them, don't they tell them, teach them wait till they go tell police if police come. Madam, you do well. You are a good woman. This is housewife, good housewife. This is better housewife. You are really a better housewife. You are really a trainer. You dey train your pikin well. I beg, we'll go back to the reason, we'll go back to the next news job, because all this kind of thing, they make me the verse. You know, say if I do the verse, and they talk past my mouth, that's why I don't want to talk well, so that me I no verse. I beg, we'll go to the next news job. My people, some girls, some ladies, some single mother, they be like person, they be like people made the. It be like people with the remote. It be like they are village people, the remote them. How could a single mother do this one? Do this kind of thing? Whether not single mother, so whether not be single mother, I don't know. You get mad, carry brother, sit down, just the massacre brother like that. They smoke with brother like that. You get mad, carry and sit down for your lap. For where your VND, you use the teacher like that, even the kiss her. You want kill her? You want kill her for small pikin? You want kill her for waiting the person never, waiting this brother never ever plan not to do? Now you do pass, now do pass. Waiting, waiting they go do for another country, it not go cause problem. But if you reach Nigeria, Nigeria go do and it go cause kasala. If you reach our hand, reach our own hand, we go do and it go cause big problem. How can you carry small pikin like this put for your avian? Just the lecture hand how to smoke shisha. If the small pikin now go even carry the shisha put for mouth, you go put on for the girl mouth. Oh my God, see romantic. Here the small pikin and I call they play love, Romeo and Juliet. Romeo of Jezebel. Jezebel woman like you. Jezebel girl. You the Jezebel girl. I know. I dey look you like woman because very soon now you go fade and you go hold. How can a girl do something like this with small pikin? Just the teacher how to the smoke shisha. Not be able to the smoker. Even they make me the verse. So get the reason why I put the verse for this news. Not be he follow the small pikin smoke and they make me the vessel. He can't even they follow the small pikin they do adult thing. What we supposed to they follow and do? He can't they follow the small pikin they do and that is agony of Christ. That is useless. That is pathetic of you. Well, I mean because of this lockdown now, you not gonna see boys carry. That make it seem that this small pikin, God know what that they do back of camera. Apart from this teacher, when they teach this boy how to smoke now and how to collect smoke for person mouth now put for another person mouth, God know what they do for corner. When I pick up your canal, if I catch you, I will flog you. If any news come against this speaking, say now so this thing come a cap they don't use mouth suck and come out. If I deal with you. Now, you're this kind of people not supposed to be just the rest their life in jail. Most of you never see the video and you want to see her. You want to see what happen. Oh yeah!
Sweet in the middle. Green do it split in the middle. Sit in the middle. I just wanna shoot till I needle. I get money, can't you tell? What boss, Vice Cartel. You, me, cause I care. After party, you can share my bed. Party time, 30 VG,
Shebi you don't see her. You will see the part where they vest me now, that particular part, that adult things part, which they collect. You are Benji. This girl now is on Benji. Because of that reason, you will never see boyfriend. You not see boyfriend. Because when you supposed to practice with adult person, now you don't practice with small pikin. I beg, my brother, go straight to the next news, John. For not, Buhari don't they share money they give northern people. I see this news, I say no, now this kind of news my people supposed to see. Buhari don dey share money, they give Northern part people. They share money, they give them. He leave the rest part, he don dey start for Northern part. Where I want you to read this news, you just get wetin I want you to speak at. What I want you to read this news is that is it now Nigeria go still dey share money for hand, government go dey share money for hand, governor go dey share money for hand. How the money want to reach people? You get some village made that they call Kwensin, Akwankun, Inkwanankan for that Nigeria. Even village say if you even hear their names, if you run. All those ones now want country receive their own share of money. Can Nigeria just be computerized for once? Know how to deal with all these things. And most people now for that not go receive like 2 times, receive like 3 times. Where now billions of the millions of people that in Nigeria are not the only not. You don't start to share 20,000 now for your Northern people, because now you be Northern. And the money now never they reach the other part of the region. Put Buhari here. If I dey talk and you dey look on that place, they make me the vex. Now so president say they start to do something. Not be once it's supposed to make all the people for the country receive the money. If you want even share money, whether not be even prank. Now you don't start for the northern side. Now if the west or the south or the east now come verse, say they not receive money now, it will come be another problem. Can't you just be wise? This is your brain. You just resemble waiting that they put on. Can't you just be wise for once? As a president and you they go different country, you don't know their system. You know the way they share money. And this money now, whenever they give them, allocation will still come out. When we hand over the money give now, go collect no share. This one will collect, this one will collect. And una they practice social distance. See where they share money now, they gather like ants where they purge for cacao with the shit yesterday. They gather there, they do one. As social distance now, they want to eat. Now even the government now they cause their alarm. Now they beat people now, see me the social distance. Government now they cause crowd. Can't you just be wise, Mr. Buhari, for once? Can't you be wise? Now, so they take share money for your village. Just carry people, gather them. Even during this time of lockdown. This time when people supposed to practice social distance. All of them, they cry one. Most of them don't see this video, and those will never see her. Oh yeah.
Bagi. Dubu ahiran. Na menene? Na baba Buhari. Na yayarwa yada. Wace yari yake shayarwa? Ga ta nan. Nawa ne da hannunki? Dubu ahiran da hannuna. Ya asabar nawa aka baki? Dubu ahiran. Yanzu nawa kenan ya kama 40 tsaf. Gaskiya ne. Allah ya baba. Me yake da kudin? Wallahi zuwa za mu yi da mu yi komai da komai ma dai.
You see, Nigeria cannot just do something when go your favor the whole cities, everybody go just dey happy. They must do something when go cause problem for the opposite party, or for this one or for that one. Maybe the South they not to vote for our, or West they not to vote for our this one. You can't use that now till they punish innocent citizens made the country. And you're not supposed to happen like that. But change. More than other country, now their accounts, everybody go and open account. Before this lockdown, everybody open your account. Go and open account. Even this lockdown, bank they work. Go and open your account, then send the account, go government house. The government house go pay you your money. That kind of you know if you do ojoro. Una just want way to not take the embezzle money. Just the wana money. I beg more go to the next news job. 2 bala giant of Africa, they don't show for Africa. 2 big bros with brocos and with big head, big belly. They don't tell Nigeria say the next WWE championship now then go winner. God, Nigeria youth. Why Nigeria youth know they use their brain? And they always they talk They swear for Nigeria youth. Why will not they use their brain? Why will not they use brain? How can two mature man they eat belly food, drink? They say na bossing they want start to they do. All this guy now bossing now for street share, carry share, some carry knife, carry dagger, even carry bomb, tear gas, gun. Just two people, two fighting, just carry everything. I'm more cow now carry on. So now one show us say now be the strongest man of Africa. Be even carry rockets. Now small remain or carry house. Full house. You see a person use full house, say some person. We'll register now. Mona mark them will register and after this lockdown, we'll register them for Olympic. Make they go do bossing. Mona use on energy till they make money. The video for most of them want to see the video, now want to see on, want to see. Oh yeah, yes. You don't see her. She be your man don't come down now. So more than the warm up. Continue. Warm up. No work now. Lockdown. Continue. More than the warm up. We're going to register you people for Olympic for boxing. And now if you are not confident fight, we will lay you people down like a children and flog you until na break come down. More than not carry Olympic bet con us. I beg more go to the next news. Okay, my people, now here I go stop today. I just want to give you the breaking news so that Mona not they left out. Mona know what they happen for a side time. So as they go now, you know, now see me, poor man, not the poor, may eat the shit. I beg, Mona subscribe to my YouTube channel. They beg you now, and I need sponsor. If you know, see you want sponsor my show and you get interest to sponsor my show, I beg, call me. My number dey there. Follow me for my Facebook when you see latest news. Everything dey Japrata when you go enjoy. Mona follow me, I need una support. What they do it together, me everywhere they go. Mona support me. My number the show now. If you get any news when you want send, give me I read. Or you want wish person something, or you get your latest music when you want me do together, or you get anything when you want do at all. Contact me with my WhatsApp number and I hit the back. So contact me. Everything go well. Now see the do now. So now y'all take stop today. I don't already know the talk now. Now still me, your brother. So stay tuned. We see next time.